Imagine that you are standing at the edge of a vast, ancient forest at midnight. Behind you stretches a long, winding line of people. You cannot see all their faces, but you feel their presence like a heavy mist. Your parents, your grandparents, and the thousands who came before them, whose names have been lost to the wind, but whose stories are still written in the very marrow of your bones. Can you feel it? That weight on your shoulders that doesn't seem to have a source in your own life? That sudden, unexplained sadness that visits you in the quiet hours? That fear of scarcity, even when your table is full? You have been carrying more than your own journey. You have been carrying the ghost debts of a lineage that didn't know how to heal itself. You've been living as a sequel to a story you didn't write. But today, at the 8th gate, the sequence breaks. 8 is the number of new beginnings. It is the symbol of infinity standing upright, anchoring the divine into the earth. The divine physician has not come to judge your past. He has come to prune the tree so that the fruit of your life and the lives of your children can finally be sweet. He has come to tell you, the pain ends with you. Welcome to Quiet Moments with God. Welcome to Day 8, Healing the Ancestral Line. Before we enter the garden of your roots, let us settle your soul in the absolute safety of the present. Take a breath that reaches all the way back to your beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold that breath. Now exhale. And as the air leaves you, feel the ancestral dust starting to lift from your skin. You are not a prisoner of your DNA. You are a child of the Most High, and today, your blood is being refined by the emerald fire of Raphael. Archangel Raphael is standing before you now. He holds a staff of pure, crystalline emerald light. He asks you to look down at the ground beneath your feet. In the sanctuary of your mind, see the floor becoming transparent. Beneath you, a massive network of roots extends in every direction. This is your family tree. Notice the areas where the roots are dry, where they are tangled in the gray weeds of old family secrets, unhealed traumas, and silent sorrows. Can you see the rust of poverty thinking? Can you see the thorns of resentment passed down from mother to daughter, from father to son? Raphael kneels beside these roots. He doesn't look at them with anger, but with a compassion that spans centuries. He begins to pour a liquid, glowing gold oil over the driest parts of your history. Feel this warmth traveling up from the soles of your feet. It is the oil of mercy. It is seeping into the places where your ancestors felt not enough. It is healing the hole in your lineage where love was absent or withheld. As the oil touches the roots, the gray weeds begin to dissolve into harmless white mist. Inhale this clearing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the gold within you. Exhale and let go of the need to understand why they were the way they were. You are releasing the burden of their choices. You are forgiving the debt they could never pay. Now, the Archangel stands tall. His emerald staff begins to glow with an intensity that matches the rising sun. It is time for the severing. You were born to be a bridge, not a warehouse. You were meant to carry their wisdom, not their wounds. Raphael raises his staff, and a brilliant flash of emerald and gold light cuts through the rusted chains that have bound your family's potential for generations. In this silence, repeat these words of power. I honor those who came before me, but I do not carry their shadows. The cycle of lack is broken in my hands. The cycle of pain is dissolved in my heart. From this moment on, I am the ancestor of light. Can you feel the lightness in your chest? It is as if 1,000 voices behind you just sighed in relief. By healing yourself, you are healing them. By choosing peace, you are giving them the rest they never found. The chain is broken, the path is clear, the bloodline is washed in the frequency of grace. Look at the roots now. They are no longer gray or tangled. They are glowing with a vibrant, neon emerald life force. The sap running through the tree of your life is now made of liquid gold and absolute certainty. Raphael hands you a golden seed. This is your new heritage. It contains the blueprints for a life of abundance, for relationships of pure love, and for a body that radiates the health of God. Visualize yourself planting this seed at the base of your heart. See it grow instantly, its branches reaching forward into the lives of your children, your grandchildren, and the generations yet unborn. You are not just changing your day, you are changing the default setting of your entire family history. You are the point where the tragedy turned into a triumph. Inhale the scent of this new earth, fresh, clean, and full of promise. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, exhale, and feel the poverty of spirit leaving your DNA forever. You are wealthy in grace. You are rich in peace. You are the first of a new kind. The first week of your personal clearing is done, and the first day of your new lineage is sealed. Archangel Raphael places his hands upon your crown. He leaves a seal that looks like a golden leaf with an emerald vein. This is the seal of the new root. It means you are no longer fed by the old, bitter soil of the past. You are now fed directly by the river of life that flows from the throne of God. Stay in this clarity for a moment longer. Listen to the silence of a forest that is no longer haunted, but holy. You have done the work that many are too afraid to do. You have faced the shadows of 1,000 years and said, "No more." Tomorrow, for day 9, we move from the bloodline to the mental temple. We will focus on dissolving the architecture of anxiety. Now that your roots are clean, we must ensure the house of your mind is built of light, not worry. Do not miss day 9. It is the day you stop managing your thoughts and start mastering them. Go forth now. Walk as one who has been set free. Breathe as one who has rewritten history. You are a new creation. You are clear. You are free. God bless you, and I will see you in our next quiet moment. Amen.
If this moment of quiet touched your soul, then you have found your sanctuary. Healing is not a single event. It is a journey we walk together, one breath at a time. To stay connected to the emerald light and ensure you never miss a step of your restoration, I invite you to subscribe to Quiet Moments with God. Click the bell icon so our morning prayers can find you, no matter where you are in the world. To anchor today's blessing in your life, leave a comment below with your specific intention, or simply type "Amen" to seal this prayer in your heart. Remember, your words carry the frequency of your faith. If you know someone who is walking through a valley of shadow, share this light with them. You might be the answer to someone else's prayer today. You are loved. You are whole. You are never alone. I will see you in our next quiet moment. God bless you.